Hello everyone. Today we discuss about the topic schedule and the act and the rules. So schedule to the act and the rule, there are a number of schedules like A, B, C, C1, D. In the schedule A list of forms of making application for issuing licenses, granting license, and the sending memorandum. In Schedule B, fees for test or analysis by the Central Drug Laboratories. C deals with the biological products such as sera antigens and the intended for the injection, insulin, etc. In Schedule C1, special products such as fish liver ergot preparation drug belonging to the digitalis group, and these are classes of exempted drug which are exempted from certain provisions. Next is the Schedule K. Schedule K is a list of drug exempted from certain provision applicable to manufacture of drug and sale of drug. And this class of drug should not be sold for the medical use, and each container is labeled consequently with the word not for medical use. And the household remedies such as paracetamol tablet, analgesic balm, antacid preparation, calcium preparation, or without vitamin D. However, these drugs should not contain any substance specified in the Schedule G, H, X, D, and C Act and Rules. OTC drugs are the drugs, it's mean the over-the-counter drug by the pharmacist that is without the prescriptions of a registered medical practitioners. In Ayurveda OTC means Ayurvedic medicines containing natural herbal ingredient. Ayurvedic drug are manufactured under a manufacturing license issued by the Ayurvedic state or the licensing authorities. In the largest OTC brand in India, like vitamin, mineral, health tonic, cough suppressant like Vicks, GIT drug, analgesic, dermatologist, etc. Schedule E and E1 is a list of Ayurveda, Siddha, and the Unani poisons like snake poison, arsenic, mercury, dhatura, bhang, ganja, etc. And F and F1 is the applicable for blood blanks, and F1 is applicable to other biological and special products such as vaccine, antigen, diagnostic testing, productions, packaging, etc. F second is the bandage cloths. F third is the umbilical tapes and the ophthalmic preparation. G is the required to take only the under supervision of RMP medicine listed Schedule G medicines carry on the label cautions. It is dangerous to take this preparation except under medical supervision. Schedule H is the in the Drug and Cosmetic Second Amendment Rules 2006 prescription drugs should which are required to be sold retail only when the prescription by RMP. Use and misuse of antibiotics in the Schedule H of the Drug and the Cosmetic Act contain list of 536 drugs which are required to dispense on prescriptions of a registered medical practitioner, and antibodies exclusively. H1 is the drug formulation should be labeled with symbol RX in red and consequently displayed on left corner. And it is dangerous to take this preparation except in accordance with the medical advice like alprazolam, thiazidazole, alprazolam, diazepam, etc. And Schedule J is a drug may not claim to prevent or cure, and like angina pectoris, appendicitis, erythrosclerosis, blindness, etc. Schedule M is the GMP practices for good manufacture practices. It deals with the GMP in the factory premises. M1 is the detailed requirement of factory premises for the manufacture of homeopathic drug. Schedule T is the requirement of factory premises and hygienic condition for Ayurveda and Unani drug, and is the minimum equipment for efficient running of pharmacy. And O is the standard for disinfectant fluids. P1 is the pack size of certain drugs like doses form pack, albendazole suspension, like this. E is the Q is the permitted to be used in drug in cosmetics like natural color, keratin, chlorophyll, coal. That they are depends on the no drug should be contained in this color. S is the standard for the cosmetic. U and U1B manufacturer analytic record of the drug, particularly to be the record of cosmetic. V is the medicines for proprietary medicine containing vitamins, and W shall be marketed under the generic name only. X is the psychotropic and other drugs such as Schedule X contain list of drugs which need to designations, and it's also there are amobarbital, amphetamines, and glutathione. Schedule Y is the requirement and guideline for clinical trials and like chemical, pharmaceutical information, animal test, toxicology, clinical trace, natural nature of the trials, and the permission for the trials and the responsibility of the investigator. So this is all about the schedule and the rule of this act. Thank you so much.